Just before 9 p.m. on May 23, 2026, a 77th Division patrol unit tried to stop a Tesla speeding through South Los Angeles.
So Oakland 3, we're continuing the pursuit northbound Fig, past Gage, step in the direction. Clear. They're tolling me 3. I don't have the plate. The suspect was continuing northbound on Figueroa past 6-1. Used to be a white Tesla. Yeah, I'm just gonna cancel.
Station 12, all units on frequency standby, 12 feet breeze in pursuit of a reckless driver, white Tesla, northbound Figueroa passing 6-1. We're concerned backup unit supervisor.
Token 3, I'm gonna cancel the pursuit. Lost eyes in the vehicle at 6-1 and Fig.
All units cancel the pursuit, Figueroa. Vehicle was missing in Figueroa. Team.
Put it up.
The vehicle was lost in traveling westbound Slauson to third West Figueroa. We hit a pet at Pig to Slauson. When we get an RA for a wall,
Keep going. You hit a pet.
we're heading on the way of being through the way. Conscious of breathing.
That's right there. Yeah. We have eyes.
358.
Hold on. Clear.
Highest call for 132nd Cathedral Dublin Test Beach. Special one additional unit for standby.
TC. 4-5. We're gonna be code 6 on that white Tesla. We're gonna be on.
July 18, Roger, on the RA request, a westbound verify Slauson and Figueroa.
Clear. More fire, we're gonna be on foot pursuit. We're gonna be on Denker and Slauson. Suspect last team going southbound on Denker from Slauson. Keep going.
Central pursuit of a reckless driver southbound at Janko from Slauson. We're going to have backup unit supervisor.
Where's it at?
Total 60 is en route. Toby 45 yellow suspect description.
45 is gonna be a male black, wearing all black with dreads. It's going on. He's gonna be running westbound on the Slausons. He's over there. What is this? Slauson 1, park it?
Hey, 45 is the suspect is male black or yellow black clothing running westbound. This is a blocking westbound in the alley approaching western.
He's up in the gate right here.
420, north of perimeter.
Right.
345 the perimeter.
Stop.
45 in the gate. Did you know? Slauson and western. 49 is
Stop. Hook him up. Just get the cup.
requesting a perimeter Slauson and western 59 and Slauson.
The driver of the Mercedes-Benz was pronounced dead at the scene. He was identified as 63-year-old Idris Daoud Mahmoud, a Chicago-born actor known professionally as Idris Degas, with credits in Showtime's Black Monday and HBO's Veep. The Tesla's driver was identified as 23-year-old Los Angeles resident Tamajai Dampier. The Los Angeles District Attorney's Office charged him with vehicular manslaughter, felony evading causing death, and felony hit and run. The LAPD's multidisciplinary collision investigation team took over the investigation, while the mayor's crisis response team and the department's family liaison unit provided support to Mahmoud's family. The case remains pending.